Hey everyone, welcome back to RoamTips.com. Today, we're going to break down how to underline text in your messages on iPhone. It's super easy, so let's get started. First, open up the Messages app on your iPhone. Then, select the contact you want to message and type out what you want to say.
Now, for the magic. Double tap on the word you want to underline.
You'll see it highlighted. You can adjust the highlighted area by dragging those little blue dots if needed. Next, look above the P key, you should see a format icon. Tap it. This will take you to the formatting page. Simply tap the underline icon, and boom.
Your formatting is applied.
Now you can tap on the subject area to continue typing your message if you need to, or just hit send. And that's all there is to it. Your message will be sent with the underline you chose. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like. And if you want more quick tips and tricks like this, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Just a quick reminder that this is based on my own experience. Links will be in the description below. Thanks for watching.